Yo, what's up guys, Matt Steffanina here, back with another tutorial. But yo, I'm filming this before the video actually goes up on YouTube, and there's a good chance that they're gonna block my God's Plan YouTube videos. So that means I got two choices. I could either not post the video at all.
No, God, please, no, no!
Or I could make my own rap cover, which you guys know I've been doing a lot lately. I'm not trying to do it. I don't want to keep making these rap covers, but you know what? If they keep blocking the videos, and that's the only way for me to share it with y'all, I'm gonna keep doing it. So leave a comment below, like the video if you want me to keep making rap covers, if that's what it takes to get these videos up, because there's so many artists that still blocking videos. Beyonce and Rihanna, Lady Gaga, Drake, Bieber, come on y'all, let us post our videos. Even my Migos video just got blocked the other day to stir fry, but it's not gonna stop us. You guys have been supporting so much, and the labels are starting to notice, and things are changing. And I also have two YouTube channels. One is for like my main videos, and the second one is for all my vlogs, behind the scenes, part 2s of dance videos. So if you're not subscribed to both of those, go down in the description box, find them and subscribe, because we've been posting a lot lately. And lastly, I'm trying to help blow you guys up on your Instagram. So once you learn this routine, make sure you tag @EpicDanceVideos, #EpicDanceVideos, because we've been reposting you guys a lot lately. It's just really cool to see like our online dance community keeps growing and growing and growing, and you guys are killing it. I hope you like this tutorial. Make sure notifications are on, because we're dropping new tutorials every single week. All the links are down below, so go check it all out. And let's get to the tutorial. This one's God's Plan, Drizzy Drake. All right, so you guys probably all know the lyrics to this song, and we're gonna start on the most famous part, which makes it really easy to remember the choreography. You're gonna pick your right foot up, you're gonna go up, down. And notice how I look down when I go down. So it's like making an X, and then zoop. And then you're gonna come in with your hands right, left to your chest and your stomach, and then you're gonna rotate them and slide that foot in. And this is gonna go right on his word. So he's gonna say, she said, do you love me? Then he's gonna say, I tell her. You're gonna go, I tell her, and I'm rolling towards my body, and then my right hand lands on top. And then your hands are gonna go out like this, your elbows to the sides. You're gonna go out and then in. So my feet are kind of doing like heels, toes, and walking in. And at the same time, I'm pulling my elbows away, and then shoom, my right hand punching into my left. So let's try just that much from the top. You go 7, 8, she said, do you love me? I tell her only. You're gonna go right, left. You probably guessed that's on partly. Then you're gonna take your right foot in front and go, I only love my. So I'm lifting my left shoulder up on this first one, right shoulder up on the second one. He's gonna say, bed and my boom. So this is like just being stupid on this and kind of like teasing with the lyrics. So when he says bed, you're going to sleep here, and you jump into that first one. So it's like jump, and then you step and twist, and then mama, you carrying the baby, yeah, get lower, and then you fall back on that left and go click. That's on the word sorry, but there's also like a really big beat there, a big bass. Boom, then you're gonna go right, left, and that right hand's gonna come up. So he's gonna say, my bed and my mama, I'm sorry, 50 dub. So notice how there's like that funny timing. So it's hit, right, and then I'm going left, quick. Then you're gonna draw a zigzag. You're gonna go left, right, left. And I actually keep my left hand like kind of out to the side here, deep to make that read a little bit better. Then you're gonna bring your right arm around and go zoop to here. So my arms are rotating to the right, like a half circle, around down. He's gonna say tatted. So you're just coming up your arm, and then you're gonna step on your right foot and go cross. Then you turn your knee in and go pull like this. Cool, so that was a lot of steps. Let's go back a couple times from the top, nice and slow. You go 6, 7, 8. She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry, 50 dub. You know I got it tatted on me. Go. So if you're a count person, like you normally like 1 and 2 and 3, this is really good practice on how to just listen to different parts of the song. We're hitting some beats, like this is like 1, 2, 3, and 4. But it's easier, honestly, to hear bed and my mama, I'm sorry, 50 dub, you know I got it tatted on me. And plus it helps you remember the choreography because every step kind of goes with a word. So let's keep going on. You can rewind if you need to practice that a little more, but we're here. Toom, toom. You'll fall back on your left foot, hit your fist down to go over and in. And this is going, he says 81, I think is the lyric. I could be wrong, but 80, you come over, and then you're going hit, hit. So my right foot steps first. All I'm doing with my feet is going right, left, but I'm taking my knees out, out as I'm doing that step, and your right arm just knocks up. So you're going yeet, yeet. Then you're gonna come around with your hands. I'm stepping right, left, and then he's gonna say party. He says, I bring the crashers to the party. So you're catching that. Then you're gonna drop down. Shoom. It's just to send you into this little walk. And I like to kind of take it back a little bit when you do this. So after party, you're high. You're gonna go, he says, and you know me, pull, click. So your hands are, me, pull, and then you just stand it up straight. So we did party, you go boom, and you know me, click, Then he's to say, turn the 02 into the 03. So you're gonna go right, left, right. I'm going high and low. Then I'm gonna make a number 2 with my right hand in front of my left right here. Then my hand is gonna go under, and it's gonna flip around. So all I'm doing is taking it from the inside of my palm, I'm going whoop, and then to the other side. So this hand is just going yoop, and it's flipping my hand around like that. So this is kind of like tricky when you do it fast, but if you break it down slow, it's easy. Turn the O2 into, notice how my head is going into, a little down, up. Then I'm gonna go O3, and I switch it from 2 to 3. Magic. Boom, boom. Then he's gonna say dog, and you're gonna go, arr, like the most ignorant dog like you ever seen. Not like a cool dog, like, arr, like stick your chin up, and then you're gonna drop back down. So that whole section, just 'cause that's a little tricky, from here to the party, you go boom, and you know me, click, turn the O2 into the O3, dog, down. Easy from here all the way to the end. We're good. You just go and pull, So my legs are just kind of going out as I step forward, a little groove. You can kind of style that how you want. A and A, Then you're gonna step on your right and go to the right. So you're opening your arms twice. Look and Then you're gonna step on your right and go high and low. Just literally like G. Last part, you're gonna wave through that right arm, wave through your left. So if you don't know how to do arm waves, I got some tutorials online for that, but it can be a little sloppy. It's more like a groovy sort of wave than like a really clean, isolated wave. You wave right to left, you're gonna come around with this right arm, and that's gonna send you into a little shoot, 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 yeet, yeet, yeet. And then from here on this last one, clean, you're just gonna go shoot and step right, left, and come back to the center. And then all you got left is God's plan. You're gonna give me any kind of like prayer moment that you want, a little chill. Then you're gonna set this up straight to the front, and then boom, you're gonna hit that bass however you want. Now in the class video, we did this fun little wave at the end where you go boom, and you kind of like set this circle to the left. So it's hands left, chest left, hips left, down, and then body waved it up to here. So if you wanna play with that, you can do something like that, but that's your choice. At the end, you know, it's all about just freestyle, putting your own style on that up until the very, very end. So great job, you guys got the whole routine. I know it's a lot of steps, so let's go back slow from the very top and put that all together one time. You go 5, 6, 7, nice and slow. She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry, 50 duh. You know I got it tatted on me, hit and down. We bring the crashers to the party, down. And you know me, click, turn the O2 under, O3, dog, down. Chill and pull and deep, high and low, wave around and hit, top. God's plan, chill, and up, boom, whatever you wanna do, freestyle, yeah. All right, cool, so that's it. This one's not actually super hard, but you will notice when we get to the full speed in a second, there's parts that you have to be really sharp on. So just make sure you're tightening your muscles. Don't let things be floppy. She said, do you love me? Like, you gotta make that really strong so that it reads clean on those lyrics, right? All right, quick stretch, deep breath. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. She said, do you love me? I tell her, Titi partly, I only love my bed and my mama. Hit and 50, got it tatted on me. Click and move. We bring the hot to the hot down. And you know me, click, I turn the O to under. Oh, 3, dog, yeah, chill, geek, high and low, wave around and yeet, ta, God's plan, chill, God's plan, boom, do cool dance moves, yeah. Yo, now that you guys learned this one, the God's plan, make sure you upload your covers. Don't forget to tag me at Matt Steffanina, at Epic Dance Videos, hashtag Epic Dance Videos so we can check them out. We're gonna be reposting some of our favorites. Make sure you guys subscribe, notifications on, because we got new tutorials dropping every single week. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next video. Chill.